Headlines of the day. T-Mobile expands network recovery and customer support across Hawaii. T-Mobile expands network recovery and customer support across Hawaii following Hurricane Lala, working to restore connectivity and assist customers as communities recover from the storm. Cirrus expands Grand Forks manufacturing facility to meet growing demand. Cirrus expands its Grand Forks manufacturing facility to support growing demand, strengthening production capacity and advancing its operations to meet increasing customer and market requirements. GMO Internet Group White Hat hackers win DEF CON 34 CTF Finals. GMO Internet Group's White Hat hackers secure first place at the DEF CON 34 Capture the Flag Finals, demonstrating advanced cybersecurity skills at the world's leading hacking competition.